Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add photos, files, and links to Trello cards on your iPhone 12. So let's begin. So, open the Trello app. On the upper right corner, you will have a plus. Tap here. Here you have Create a Card. Tap here. And now you must select and fill those items. So first we need to choose the bird. I'm going to choose the flower. I'm going to create a name. I'm going to choose this one. Start today and end. Yeah. And here you have attachments. Tap here, tap on the plus, and here you have a 3 option. Take photo, choose from photos, or cancel. I'm going to take a photo. Tap here. Use photo. So now you have a photo in your attachments. To check this, you will have here one element in your attachments. Okay, so if you want to add a link, you just need to go to the page you want to save. I'm going to choose hard reset info, copy, and paste your link right here. So we apply here, and that's all. Thank you for watching and see you later. Bye.